Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting rumors and updates about the upcoming iPad mini 7. From new colors to a faster chip, there's a lot to look forward to. Stick around to find out everything you need to know about Apple's next generation iPad mini. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you found this video informative. Stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. First up, let's talk about the display. The iPad Mini 7 is rumored to feature an improved 60Hz LCD display. Apple has reportedly changed the way the display is assembled to address the jelly scrolling issue. For those who don't know, jelly scrolling occurs when one half of the screen refreshes slower than the other, creating a wobbly effect. This improvement should make for a smoother user experience. Next, we have some exciting news about the iPad mini 7's performance. Initially, it was expected to come with the A16 Bionic chip, but recent leaks suggest it might be powered by the even more powerful A17 Bionic chip. This means you can expect significant performance boosts, making multitasking and gaming more efficient. Additionally, the new iPad mini will support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster connectivity. In addition to the display and performance upgrades, the iPad mini 7 is expected to come in new colors, adding a fresh look to the device. The camera is also rumored to be updated, although specific details are still under wraps. Looking further into the future, there's speculation that Apple might introduce an OLED display for the iPad mini. However, this isn't expected until at least 2026, so we'll have to wait a bit longer for that advancement. So when can we expect to see the new iPad mini 7? Rumors suggest a release later this year, possibly in the autumn, with a starting price likely around $499, similar to the current model. Are you excited about the new iPad mini 7? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts on the iPad mini 7 in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting tech news.